Welcome to New Courage Academy, a premier institution for the past 52 years. Over thousands of selections and the only institution to have second and third generation officers. Come and learn from the top educators, talk to us in the live classes, ask your doubts, and get PDF of daily classes. And in case you miss a class, get a recorded lecture. Time to turn your dreams to reality.
Okay, now as you see, north of this is towards the top.
Yes, sir.
North of the sketch is towards the top, south is towards the bottom, and uh, towards Kala Jungle is east, and towards Rani is west. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now at the bottom of the sketch, you find a scale has been given. It's mentioned 3 centimeters is equal to 1 kilometer.
Yes, sir.
For the sake of this sketch being reflected on the screen in front of you, take the scale as 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. What this is suggesting is that any 1 centimeter on this sketch represents 1 kilometer on ground. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Because this is shown on the sketch. But 1 centimeter on the sketch, if you are actually doing it on ground and calculating, will be represent 1 kilometer. That's what
Okay, sir.
this is conveying. Now I'll explain to you the main locations or inhabitations over here. At the bottom, slightly left, you find Rati Dispensary. This is located in Rati village. Seen? Everyone seen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you go slightly north or northwest, you find a village called Rani village. Next, you go further northwest in the extreme northwestern corner of the sketch. You find,
Yes, sir.
Police station.
okay, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. From the police station, move east.
Towards you.
In the center of the sketch is village Roti.
Roti.
Everyone can see?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
From Roti, go further eastwards. You find there's a village called village Kalar.
Kala.
From Kalar, come down south and slightly towards west, hugging the bottom line of the sketch, you'll find there's a village called Gop. Can you see?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So these are the places which are inhabited. Now I'll explain to you the road and the tracks. Now two black lines anywhere, distance between two black lines is indicating a metalled road, tarmac road. Now there is a road between Rati Dispensary going northwest, meets another road coming from the south, and then it moves up northwest, goes over a bridge which is flowing over a river which is called Tapari River. Direction of flow has been indicated by the arrow. This road goes over the bridge and then takes a turn towards the east and goes to Roti village. At the turn or just short of the turn, there is a road slightly less wider than this main metal road, made offshoots towards the police station, which is 10 kilometers from the main road. Now, this 10 kilometer mentioned on this bylane, it's not a bylane, it's an offshoot. This distance, please don't take it as a scale. This 10 kilometer, the police station is actually 10 kilometers away, but this distance is not indicating 10 kilometers. You go by the scale which has been given at the bottom of the sketch. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now from Roti, there's a road coming down south, metal road coming down south, goes over a broken bridge, moves down south and then towards southwest to merge with Rati dispensary. Seen?
Yes.
Okay. Now from Rani village, come to Rani village. From Rani village, there's a black line which is moving straight across towards the east. This is indicating a track, Kacha track,
Okay, sir.
which joins the metal road coming down from the broken bridge and then across it a jungle called Kala Jungle. After crossing Kala Jungle, passing through Kala Jungle, it takes a
To
hairpin
learn
bend.
more about the current affairs and the SSB process, please subscribe our channel and also show your love on Instagram.
It takes a hairpin bend and moves back towards the west, passing through a village, Oak Village, and comes and meets the road coming down from the broken bridge, just short of Rati Dispensary. Seen? Have you seen everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there's another Kacha track which originates from Roti village, goes eastwards to Kalar village, passes through Kalar village, goes down south. There's a small bridge which has not been indicated on the sketch. It's a small bridge, which bridge over the Tapri River, and then the track comes down south and it joins the track coming from Dani village, which comes out of the Kala Jungle at the hairpin bend. Here,
Yes, sir.
just 1 minute, I'll just finish. So that's it. Now on this road coming down south from the broken bridge, you find there are two vehicles which have been shown. The one just immediately after the broken bridge is Maruti van. And if you go further down south, you find there's a jeep which has met with an accident with something which you will read on the once the story is put on the screen. Clear everyone on the sketch?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now the sketch will be removed for a short time here of 5 minutes and we'll show you the story. And after that, the sketch will be once again put up on the screen. But at the SSB, the sketch will not be removed throughout the duration of this task. Okay, now please watch and read the story. Okay, is it visible to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'll read it out. Once the GTO is reading the story, you will not have the story card with you. But over here, just because this is happening online, what I'm going to read out to you is also visible to you. But at the SSB, it will not happen that way during this part of the briefing by the GTO. Only GTO will be watching it and reading it while you will be hearing it and correlating it with a sketch which will be placed in front of you. Okay, I start. You are a party of how many men? How many boys?
Five. Five.
Out here, how many are there in the group?
9.
8.
Hmm?
7 हो गए ना?
Okay.
9 है sir.
Okay, 9. Sometimes you are 9, sometimes 7. I don't know where you people vanish here all of a sudden.
Yes, so 7. 5 men excluding the bridegroom and Pandit ji.
I don't bother about that. I'm talking how many are you?
How many are attending
अच्छा
the class?
हम अच्छा
Sir,
हम
7.
अच्छा अच्छा
Why are the others not attending? Any idea? Any specific reason given by them to any one of you?
वो sir.
Okay. So take it as 7 if you are 7 in the group. Okay.
Yes sir.
You are a party of 5 men, excluding the bride, or 7, excluding the bridegroom and Panditji. The marriage party is going to Roti. You have a Maruti van. Please do not write down anything because you will not be allowed to write down anything at the SSB. Practice as you must, as you would be performing at the SSB. Even if you are writing something, it's not harming me, it's harming you only, and it will harm your performance. The marriage party is going to Roti. You have a Maruti van and a jeep with you. Maruti van was leading and the jeep was following. As you reach the bridge, you find the jeep has been left behind. The bridge is broken, and the Panditji tells you that if the marriage is not solemnized before 11 p.m., it would be very harmful to the family. As you were thinking, it's written there hinking because T has been missed out. As you are thinking what to do, you learn that your jeep has been involved in an accident and a cyclist has been injured badly. A man comes running to you from village Rani and says the 3 dacoits have taken away one girl named Rupa, daughter of headman, and are going in direction of Kala Jungle. He says that they are armed and fired a shot to frighten the villagers. There is a dispensary at village Rati and a boatman lives in village Rani. Normally ferry is not fees, double E, it is single E, F E, double R I E S. He normally ferries people across river Tapri. His boat is tied to a tree on the river bank. The boat can hold a maximum of 5 persons at a time. There is a police station at Kartarpur, 10 kilometers from the main road. There is no telephone line between police station Kartarpur and dispensary Rati. Now, for the sake of this group planning exercise, there is no telephone line anywhere on the sketch, and your mobiles are not functioning. There is no signal in that complete area. Time now is 10. It's written light. It's PM. Time now is 10 PM. Make out your plan to get over the problems. Now the story cards will be handed over to you, each one of you separately, and you will be expected to go through this story card, identify the problems that you feel are existing in this story, identify them and make solutions to each one of them, taking into account all that is available to you, either on the sketch or in the story. Okay, time is 5 minutes. Please start reading and planning.
Sir, while reading, we don't write anything.
I told you, yeah, I told you 3-4 times. You will not have anything to write over there. No pen, no paper. And it will be told to you, you will not write anything while reading or while the GTO is reading out the story. You have to identify and register in your mind. I will take 3 more minutes. They're reading it.
Right, in the preceding video, we'll also be talking about what are the mistakes you make during the group planning exercise, what are the small things that you do wrong which lead to your rejection.
Also, is that be very specific while you are giving out or listing out the problem. Or don't give a part of the problem. Give it wholly, give it completely. Now, I think number 8 or one of you was saying Gupta. There's nothing called Gupta. Girl from Rani village. What is the name?
Rupa.
Rupa.
Ah,
Rupa.
now you have to give complete. Kidnapping of Rupa, daughter of headman of Rani village by 3 dacoits to Kala Jungle. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It as kidnapping of Rupa or kidnapping of the Rani village girl. Some of you said that also. One of you. So be very clear as to what you read in the story. Then it is headman of Rani village. One of you also mentioned headmaster.
Yes, sir.
So don't do it. That's why I have been quite emphatic about conveying to you that please be focused and read properly and perceive and imbibe properly. Everything. Then number 5 said that we'll admit the after the regarding the man who's met with an accident, man